Right now, these slime face squeeze ASMR videos are going insanely viral, mainly because they are extremely satisfying and visually addictive to watch. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create one yourself, step by step, even if you are starting from scratch. First, open ChatGPT and paste this prompt in the chat box, and simply press enter. This prompt you will find in the description box. As soon as you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will ask you a question. Which type of face do you want? Here, you will see some options like female face, male face, old age face, baby face, stylized model face. You can choose whichever type of face you want. For example, I want a female face, so I will type female face and press enter. After that, you will need to choose the face expression. Here are some options given. I will choose puffy funny. You can type any expression you want. After selecting the expression to type, do not generate image, only give output prompts, and then press enter. As soon as you press enter, image and video prompts will be generated together. Once the prompt is generated, copy the image prompt, then open a new chat, click on create image, paste the image prompt, and press enter. After a few moments, your image will be generated. Now you can see our image has been successfully generated. I'll download it. To animate the image, we will use Flow AI. For that, go to Google and search Google Flow, then open this website. As soon as you open it, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Now click on New Project, and here select Frames to Video, and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Then click on Start and upload your image. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it here, and press enter. Within a short time, it will generate your video, so now you can see our video has been successfully generated. Download it. So our face ASMR video is now completely ready. Let me know in the comments which next tutorial you want on this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.